Hello guys, Elise here, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to invite someone in a WhatsApp group if you aren't the admin. To open the WhatsApp and then click on a group you want to send the invite from. As you can see, there is this group, and to invite people in this group without having admin permissions, now swipe right and scroll to the bottom until you see invite via link. You can see this option here, invite to group via link. Then click on it. You'll be redirected to this page. And then you can click on send link via WhatsApp. This will copy a link and you can share it in your PC, or you can share it to another friend without having admin permissions, and you can invite them to their group. So this is how you invite people in your group. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, then leave it on the comment box below and some suggestions as well. I'll join you on the next one. Bye bye.